before we start, silahkan KM siapkan dulu baca doa.
Okay, attention please.
Yes.
Before we study, let's study together. Begin. Finish with our teacher. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allah ya Rahman, Allah ya Allah.
Alright, thank you everyone. So before we start, I would like to check your attendance. As usual, when I call your name, please raise your hand and say present. Paris, Ibnu, Elisa. So our today's lesson actually is about writing. So hopefully at the end of the lesson you can write the descriptive text by paying attention to the structure and then the linguistic elements, as well as you will present your text in front of the class. Jadi untuk tujuan pembelajaran hari ini kalian yes. So in today's lesson, jadi harapannya hari ini kalian bisa membuat teks deskriptif tapi in group ya. By paying attention to the structure and linguistic elements. Let's recall your memory about descriptive text. So we know that descriptive text is a text that describe object. Kita tahu bahwa descriptive text teks yang menjelaskan atau menggambarkan objek. So my question is, apakah objeknya harus manusia? Objek apa aja sih yang bisa digunakan dalam teks deskriptif?
Banyak.
What is that? Hewan, things, hewan, animals, and then people, and then benda, things. Okay, thank you. And then we know that in each text in Indonesia or in English, kita tahu bahwa di setiap teks, baik itu bahasa Indonesia atau Inggris, ada strukturnya. Kalau teks deskriptif, apakah ada strukturnya?
Ada.
What's the structure of descriptive text? Identification. The first one is identification. Identification text tentang apa? Biasanya ada di paragraf beberapa? And then the second structure is what? Description. And then in the last meeting, you also learned about the adjective order. Do you still remember about the adjective order?
Yes.
Apa aja katanya singkatannya? Kalau D-nya stands for what? And then O? S? Size atau shape? Size berarti? And then A for? And then S, the second one for? Shape. And then C for? And then O? M? P? Okay, good. Silahkan go to play.bluecat.com and then enter the code 405824 9. Pencet pancingannya, pencet dulu. Pencet pancingannya. Raster pertama, and then put on the thing. Okay. And then Afdal. Oke, Zaki, menyusul Zaki. Kita lihat satu. Final standing. Revan, Ibnu, and then Arka. Okay, attention please. Okay, tadi kita sudah recall your memory using Bluecat. Now it's time for writing. Sekarang waktunya writing. I have divided you into 9 groups, which consists of 4 students. Jadi satu grup 4 orang. Silahkan duduk dengan grupnya. Now please deskriptif. Tiap orang mempunyai tugas membuat satu paragraf. Jadi satu orang satu paragraf. Ketika anggota kalian 4, berarti totalnya 4 paragraf. Tiap paragraf harus ada 3 sampai 4 sentences atau kalimat. Apa sih yang harus dibuatnya? Yang harus dibuat adalah describe a place, thing, or person relate to your major of school. Jadi silahkan deskripsikan mau tempat, misalnya tempatnya oleh RPL kalian yang di HP boleh, atau misalnya guru favorit kalian UNI boleh. Ingat, gunakan adjective order yang dosaskom, action verb, and simple present tense. If you have difficulty doing writing, seperti biasa, there is some tips using 5W1H. 5W1H. 5W1H apa aja? What, who, when, where, and how. Kita lihat di sini. Contohnya my new laptop. Berarti kalau what, apa sih yang kalian deskripsikan? Misalnya tadi my new laptop. And then the last is how. Bagaimana objek tersebut? Berarti kalau how gunakan dosaskom. Berarti determiner, opinion, size, and etc. Silahkan diskusikan dengan grupnya dan tulis. Grup 1 tentang apa? Grup 2 tentang apa? Silahkan kerjakan dulu di buku masing-masing. Kan setiap orang tugasnya menuliskan satu paragraf. Jadi setiap orang silahkan tuliskan di buku masing-masing satu paragrafnya. Don't use AI because I will check your text. Kalau sudah, silahkan teksnya dikumpulkan di tab submission. Di situ ada Padletnya masing-masing. Silahkan nanti submit ke Padlet kelas kalian di tab submission kalau sudah selesai. Let's do the reflection before we end our today's lesson. Nesya, please do the reflection. So, what we have learned today, and then do you find any difficulty during today's lesson?
Okay. Today's reflection is lesson is about wording descriptive text. I feel happy for today's lesson because it is extensive. And something new that I got today, it is during reading. If I have difficulty in writing, I can use 5W1H atau 5W1H to get the idea in writing. And that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Nesya. Okay, let's conclude our today's lesson. Jadi hari ini tadi belajar writing. In writing descriptive text, you have to use the action verb and then the dosaskom. Ada yang masih ingat dosaskomnya apa aja? Determiner, opinion, size, age, share, color, mean, material, and purpose. So in descriptive text we know that there is two structure. Apa aja strukturnya? Identification, description, and then done. Oke, so jangan lupa tugasnya kalau sudah selesai writingnya upload ke Padlet oleh satu orang. Jangan lupa tiap paragraf tuliskan written by siapa. And then tomorrow, next day you will have daily exam, ulangan harian ya. Thank you everyone.